Right folks, as you probably guessed, it is a nice day, so I'm going to give the Skyline a shakedown, taking it for a run, go and visit AMD, that we always do roughly around about this time in a week. So get all the gear, and I'm going to shoot off and try and get some sort of filming done again and see how we get on. Okay folks, here we go, bye. Anyway, quick look inside before we go. Lads, oh man! The radio's there as well. Oh, my carpets, I love my carpets. Right folks, I've had to pull over. GoPro's on a meltdown, but I've fixed it. Battery out did the job. So, just gonna get to dance. Sweet, sweet music. Right folks, catch you in a few. Bye. Activating pops and binds. Just knock the go faster switch on. This map is a little bit more aggressive than the original map, what they put in with the pops and bangs, so there you go. That's called overrun, when you let your foot off the accelerator, and that's accelerated. Too quickly. There you go. The Aston's gonna think someone's getting shot. Listen, that music to my ears. Right, I'm gonna give it some again down here. Maybe not. As much as I'd love to run this cyclist flat on his frigging face. Mind, we got some in there I think anyway folks. And here we are at AMD. AMD of Wigan. Where everything happens. Right, see what's in today, folks. And we shall speak very soon. Bye-bye. Right folks, that's it for one day. So stay tuned for the big sort of classic car show in Manchester this weekend, so hopefully we'll have some footage from there. Hopefully, plenty of content. look forward to our next escapades and adventures. I've put some stuff in the video from here, clips basically, so keep a look out for them. And the AMD Wigan, top place to come for all sorts of engine work, especially Jap. If you go on a Jap car, it's a really good place. The lads know what they're doing here. Well, in my experience especially, they've really done work on all my past Jap cars, Tommy Mac RS. This Skyline has all the work done, mapping done. Evo 10, Golf R, Mini GP, and all sorts has been through here. And you know, an engine's an engine to them. They know the stuff. So for now, folks, that's it. I'm gonna have to get some sort of a theme there. I can't use ciao, because that's already been done, I think. So I'm gonna have to say just probably goodbye for now, and hopefully speak soon. Like and subscribe, please. That's the only way we're ever going to get this channel running, and hopefully the content will get better, and hopefully I'll get better as a presenter, hopefully. So bye for now, I'm out.